So today it's the same day as the video you probably seen before or after this one, because I'm gonna have the same clothes on, you know, we're on a roll. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a flat twist out. That's mostly what I kind of do all the time, but you're probably like, why are you making a flat twist tutorial? There's plenty of flat twist tutorials on YouTube. What do you need a flat twist tutorial for? We already know how to flat twist. Some people I know really still don't know how to flat twist, and it took me a while to learn how to flat twist as well, but you need that one person that just does the flat twist just like that, and you just like, your eyes just open and you're just like, wow, like I know how to do it now. A lot of people have flat twist tutorials already. It's just like some people probably still don't understand, so I want to at least make a video and see if how I do it will help somebody out. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I haven't moisturized my hair since I last washed it, which was about a week ago. No point intended. So this is my hair, dry, bunned, edges ruthless. Yeah. So what you're going to need if you're starting on dry hair, all I'm using is some water, just some plain water, some leave-in. A leave-in of your choice is fine. Oil of your choice is fine, and a sealant, which I'm using shea butter, and whatever sealant you have is fine. And I'm just using some scrunchies to separate my hair as well, because I don't have any clips. So just separate your hair however you want the flat twist to fall, but for the sake of this video I'm going to separate my hair how I usually separate it. And I always start in the back. I usually don't do my flat twist like super tight to the scalp, because I don't really know how to do them super tight to the scalp, and I really don't like my stuff to be tight on my head. So you can separate your hair however you want to. This is a section of the whole back section. It's probably not the straightest part, which is okay because you're gonna take them out anyway and pick your hair out anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I always wear my part in the middle, so that's why I always part my hair like this. But if you wear your part on the side, just make sure you go ahead and get your part out of the way. So this is a section. You can do them as big or as small as you want to. I always do mine this size. So I'm just rinsing my hair with a little bit of water, not too much. So after I work the water in, I take my leave-in conditioner, and I'm very heavy-handed, guys, so make sure you don't take so much, but this is how much I take. Work it in, and make sure you put extra at your ends. After I put the leave-in in, I take some oil. I can't show you guys, so it's gonna run out my hand, but I put probably like the nickel size amount, and I rub that in. But if you guys like super neat twist outs, I'm not that kind of person. I don't see the real point of doing your flat twist all neat, because you're gonna take them out anyway, unless you're like leaving them in to like do a style, then yeah. But I don't really have time to be doing the neatness. Then I take my sealant, which is the shea butter, probably like that amount of shea butter, just rub it in and put that all over. Again, you can choose whatever size section you want to do for your flat twist, but for this video I'm just doing them about a medium to small size. I don't use combs as well, only on wash days, so if you're a person that likes to use combs while they're moisturizing your hair, just go ahead and comb the section out. But I don't use combs on days I don't wash my hair. I just go ahead and split the section like so. Get like a small section from the bigger section. So this is a section from the bigger section. These are the two twists I'm gonna start. You're going to split the smaller section into half, and you're gonna take whatever side you're comfortable twisting and do like this, just like a regular start off of a 2-strand twist. And you just twist once, and then before you twist again, which is this side, you grab some hair I grab bigger sections because I like my hair to be big. And then you add it to this section that's under, and then twist. Before you twist again, you take this section that's under, add some hair, and twist. Take the section that's under, add some hair, and twist. Under section between your thumb and your index finger, and twist until you have no more hair. If you have no more hair, you just go ahead and twist like a normal twist. I'm just gonna add a little bit more products at the ends. Now once you reach the ends, it's up to you. You can add a perm rod, you can add a flexi rod, you can add whatever you want to the ends, or you can bantu knot. I'm going to be adding flexi rods to my flat twist. So I just wrap my end. This is like a medium kind of size. So I just wrap my ends like that. I pull down a little bit, wrap over the end, and then I like spiral stagger. I'm not wrapping on top of the one twist. I'm not doing this basically. I'm spreading it out. And I just push this piece down. It's like a cinnamon bun basically. That's how I do mine. Like that. I put a flexi rod in sometimes to help stretch the twist. Or I do a bantu knot to help stretch the twist. But that's the first one. So I'll take a section of hair. It doesn't matter what size. Again, I'm not one of those neat people that do flat twists like all pretty and neat. I just do it how it works for me because I don't have all day trying to do all that. So this is the section I'm going to be working with. Go ahead and moisturize your hair. I'm just using water. Work the water in, and then I get leave-in conditioner, about that much. Trying to work on not using a whole lot. Work that in, and take a little bit more and put some at your ends. Take some oil of your choice, put that on your hair, and then take a sealant of your choice, which I'm using shea butter. Take that amount. Once I put all my products in, if you like to comb your hair out before you twist or before you do another style, do that now. But I don't like to do that, so I'm not doing that step. Take a smaller section, about that size from the bigger section. Split that smaller section in half. And twist like you're doing 2 strands twist, but just do it once. Like that. And take this section that's in between your thumb and your index finger. Take a piece of hair from the bigger section, add it between your finger and your index finger, your thumb and your index finger, and twist one time. Then take the other strand of hair, which is between your index finger and your thumb now. Go to the bigger section. Add the hair to your finger, to your thumb and your index finger, and twist. This hair is between your finger and your I keep saying finger, y'all. Y'all know what I mean. Thumb and your index finger. Take the strand of hair that's down here from the bigger section. Put it in between. Twist. Do a regular 2-strand twist. I always do my flat twist on dry hair. I never do them on wet hair. I mean, you can do it on wet hair if you want, but I don't know. It's just faster for me to do it on dry hair. gonna come back probably in a day or two once they are dry to take them down for you guys. Alright guys, so I waited 2 days for my hair to dry, so it should be dry. So I'm just gonna start off by taking out the flexi rods. So once you get done taking all your flexi rods out, just go ahead and unravel. If you like to put oil on your hands to unravel your hair, go ahead and do that, but I don't like doing that. And if you have any areas where you want to separate it, like big chunks like this, or you could just leave it like this, I would. But you could just run your finger through it and see where it separates and just pull it apart. Alright, so your hair should look something like this. And if you feel any areas where you feel like you should separate a little more, go ahead and do that. After you take all your twists out, go ahead and get a pick and just start picking at the roots and then like towards the mid shaft. Don't go all the way to the ends though. This would be your end result. It's already a lot defined and it should be all separated. My hair look a little flat today, but it's still cute. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys learned how to flat twist. Make sure you follow me on my social media, which will be in the description box, and at the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.